As I promised in the last video that I'll be back with the Blue Jays t-shirt. Here you go. I kept my promise. Alright guys, today's video is going to be very exciting because I will be revealing my first passive income from dividends. Yay, super excited.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से
So just to give you some little background, I began investing in March 2023, which is a month ago, and I have received my very first dividends a week ago. Alright, so what we are waiting for? Let me reveal my income right now. And if you're really interested, want to know how I made my first passive income, you can stay with me for the rest of the video, or you can hit the like button and celebrate my first passive income. Alright, it's time to reveal. So my very first passive income is $71. Yeah! अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो. Alright guys, so this is my very first passive income. I was very excited last week when I received my very first dividend income. And guys, you can ask any investor the best day of their life or the best day of their month when they receive the dividend income. It's the best day, like very exciting day. So here you go. $71 is what I make in the first month. And then guys, I'm going to show my Wealthsimple account right now just to show you that I'm not lying. I'm not just putting $71 in the presentation slide and showing you. Let me also show you my Wealthsimple account just to show you some evidence as well. So here you go. First time I'm sharing my Wealthsimple account here on YouTube. So as you can see, the last dividend I received from GDV April 17th, which was $2, and then BMAX 150, SRU 154, and then guys, if you see any of my ETF or any of the stock which you see repeated, that's mean I have invested in both my accounts like TFSA and RRSP. So GDV another $2, BMAX, SRU again both the incomes are repeated, EIT.UN another $2, RS ETF $1 over here, same it's repeated. The HYLD 462, this is the maximum amount of money I received from one ETF. So 462 from HYLD, HMAX 185, HDIV 270, and then same RRSP, I have same number of shares as there, HDIV 243. So there you go, VDY, which was another $2. So the list is keep going on, guys. Again, next week I'm going to reveal my portfolio, how much shares I have in each one. But today is just showing you some of the evidence here that how much dividend I have received. If I load more, it's keep going up to April 4th. So some of are here like GCN, GWC, GRE, HDIV, DFN. So here you go, all the dividends. As you can, it starts from April 4, and then April 10, some dividends from April 13, 14, 17. So there you go. But don't worry about that. This is not the nicest view. We can't know exactly how much we receive. So I have prepared a three great chart for you that which will summarize everything. So let me show you that all the dividend. This is just for the evidence purposes that I have received all the dividends. So let me share my presentation slides right now. So here you go, the table number 1 and the chart I'm showing you. So this is all together, guys, that till date I received my dividend. So as you can see, the maximum amount of dividends I receive about $7. This is included RRSP plus TFSA account. Okay, so HDIV is the maximum, HMAX, HDIV, HDIV, or as you can see the chat. You can pause this video for a moment and you can look into each and every ETF that I have received my dividends. And just to give overview of the tickers, like my top three ETFs are these one where I received $22, HYLD, HDIV and HMAX. The second one is HDIV, REI and DFN, $14 from here, and the third one is BMAX and GDV, $10. So as you can see, the most amount of money I receive from these ticker, and other ones are some are quarterly based, but Again, if you just want to see, you can pause this video right now. But here I have received the money, and total money I received is $71. So here you go, another great chart, which will show you my dividend history. So as you can see, I have also received $8 in the start of the March. So I have started investing like a last week of February. That's why you see $8 over here, and $63 I have received in the March month, and altogether is $71. That's the idea, is I want to be fully transparent and want to help other and just show my account, and this chart I'm gonna show you every month. This chart, how my income is growing, how my passive income or the monthly dividend income is growing. So again, this is super exciting. So let's see how much money I receive in the next month as well. All right, so one of the thing I want everyone to do right now. So definitely, I'm not revealing my portfolio, that how much money I have invested. That's I'm going to do next week. Okay, but please, if everyone can leave a comment in the in today's video, that what do you think? Give a guess to me. Okay, leave a guess in the comment section, that what do you think? How much money I have invested in my portfolio to receive the $71 dividends? In today's video, I have revealed my dividends. Next week, I'm gonna reveal my portfolio. So these two videos will be every month. Okay, maybe one week I will be revealing my dividends, and then next week is the portfolio, and then in other 2 weeks I'm gonna come with a different topic, where I will be explaining about investing, like GIC in details, ETFs or e-savings account in details. So that's the idea is about the future topics. But if anyone have better idea or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to look into. Now I quickly wanted to share for those who are new to my channel, and so guys, I have uploaded these two videos in like last 3 weeks. The first one is investing for beginner. Again, if someone is new to investing, this video is really great for you. I explain GIC, ETF and stock in details, and this is especially for our Canadian user. If someone wants to know what is a TFSA account, RRSP or FHSA, this video is really great. It's super nice in details. Please watch right now if you're really looking for these two information. Alright guys, we have come to end of our video. I hope you really like our today's video revealing my first dividend income. If you really like, then leave a like button on the video, and also please leave the comment as well and share with others. Thank you so much for your support as always, and then I'm gonna see you next week with a new video by revealing my portfolio. Till the time, take care, have a nice weekend. I'll see you next week. See you, bye bye, take care.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Hang him from the yard.